Okay, you guys, so this is like the second time I'm filming this video. I went to film it one time and the lawnmowers were just so noisy outside, and then I go to edit it and there is static in the background. So this is going to be a voiceover. I hope you guys don't mind, but let's just go ahead and get started. So this is what my coffee bar setup is looking like. I am absolutely in love with how it turned out. Please ignore these little sticky things on the walls. They are really uneven because I got them at the dollar store and they suck, so don't recommend those. So if it's a little bit lopsided, just kind of ignore that. But the first thing we have right here are these coffee cups. I have this Hello Fall one right here that I did pick up in the Target dollar spot, and then I also have this little welcome sign that I also got in the Target dollar spot. And then I have this other coffee cup right here. And both of these coffee cups I did pick up in the dollar spot at Target. A lot of the stuff you see is going to be from the Target dollar spot. Next, I have these little silver pails. I got them a while ago, but I don't remember where exactly I got them, but I know I got them for like $1 or something. I want to say I got them at Target. I put my little Nespresso pods in there because my son likes to play with them. So I needed something that was high up so that he couldn't reach, and this is what they just look like. And then I just have the names written of each of the different pods with some chalk paint. So I have a caramel one, I have a vanilla one, and then I also have this other brand that I can't pronounce. All of this stuff is sitting on this little cabinet, if you want to call it. I did pick this up at Target, and just ignore it's a little bit uneven. This is my favorite pumpkin spice mug. I did pick up that at TJ Maxx. I have my Keurig. I have this little container I got at TJ Maxx as well for my sugar, and then that little decor piece was from the Target dollar spot. And then I have this little silver tray. I got the tray at Ross, and then everything on the actual tray I did get from the Target dollar spot. And this is all really farmhouse related and also fall, so I think it goes perfect. I made this pumpkin. I just got it from the dollar store, and then I just poked in some fake flowers. They're super easy to make. You can even buy the huge ones they sell at Walmart and do the same to those if you wanted it to be bigger. I of course have my Nespresso. I absolutely love my Nespresso, and if you do not have one, I definitely suggest getting one. And then I just have my little espresso cup that I got from Walmart. I have this table runner thing that I put on the actual cabinet. It is for an actual table, but I used it for this, and I picked that up at Target dollar spot. And this is my little coffee bar for the fall. I love it. Moving on over to my table. This table is so old. I've had it forever. I really want a farmhouse table, but there's no way I'm going to PCS with a brand new farmhouse table because they are expensive. So I am just going to wait. So didn't do too much over here. I just have this little round thing that I got at Ross, and then the Count Your Blessings sign. I picked that up at TJ Maxx last year. And then I just have this little pumpkin. I think I got it from Target last year. And then this little jug with this flower arrangement. Yeah, we could just pretend that didn't fall. This jug, I believe I got it on clearance at Target like some months ago, a while ago, but it just goes perfect with my farmhouse and fall. Moving on over to my little board right here, it says the only thing getting lit this weekend are my fall scented candles. I thought it was perfect because I'm a mom and I don't go anywhere. These are my little dollar store pumpkins, or not dollar store, Target pumpkins. They were $1 each, super affordable and super cute. And then this is just overlooking my kitchen. So not much going on right here. I just have this little tray and of course another flower arrangement, and obviously my favorite candle from Bath & Body Works, which is Leaves. So moving on into my actual kitchen, I just cleaned it so it's nice and pretty to be filmed. Just please excuse the dishes, I didn't have enough time to dry those, but I do have my first sign, which is this pumpkin patch sign. It says pumpkin patch and hay rides, apple cider, and corn maze. It was really small space right here, so I thought this sign would be perfect for right here. And then over here in this corner, I just have my vegetables and my fruits and stuff like that. And then moving on towards my sink, I just got this cute super cute actually. Pumpkin arrangement, little floral bedding thing, whatever you want to call it. I picked this up at TJ Maxx last year. I spent $30 on this thing, but I wanted it so bad because it was so pretty. And then right here, of course, I had to get these Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scented cleaning supplies. I have the multi-surface cleaner and also the hand soap. These things smell delicious. They do have some pumpkin ones, but the pumpkin did not smell very nicely, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with these two. And then over here in this corner, I have this little stand. This is for a cookbook or any cookbook that you have. It says fall is my favorite, and then I have these little canisters. I was going to get the ones that they had out for fall, but they were $5 each, and I really didn't want to spend $15 on them, so I will just wait till they go on sale. And then, of course, my pumpkin spice everything please sign. Super cute right there. It goes perfectly. And then I do have my utensil holder. I did have a farmhouse one, but I pulled this one out because I thought it would go perfect with the fall decor that I already have. And this is really sturdy. It is actually a planter, but I use it for a utensil holder. On my stove, I have my two little kitchen towels. I always want to call them tea towels. And then I have my Happy Pumpkin Spice Season sign right here. All of that stuff that I just showed you, I got it at Target Dollar Spot, of course. And then over here, I have this little sign that says home. This is also from the Target Dollar Spot. And then I have my dollar store pumpkins that my son bit the tops off, so please just ignore those. I have my little box right here. I don't even know what this is called. I can't think of it right now, but I got my sign here that I picked up at Target Dollar Spot. I have a cutting board, and then this candle is amazing. I got it at Ross, so this is a picture, screenshot it, so you guys can pick it up because it smells exactly what you want fall to smell like. And then again, this sign, it just says cozy blankets and all of that stuff, and then another pumpkin, and this is what it looks like. And then starting out from the beginning of the house by the door, I have this fall sign that says Happy Fall. Really cute, didn't really know what else to put there. And then this is my entry table. I really want a farmhouse entry table, but this one was really expensive, so I'm gonna keep it for a while. I have some little pumpkins down here at the bottom. Nothing crazy, I just didn't know what to put down here. And then I have my two baskets and then some diapers. And then I bought this cute little basket from the Target Dollar Spot, and also all the pumpkins inside are from Target Dollar Spot, so I thought that looked cute. I have another fall candle. This one, they actually don't sell this packaging anymore, but I had to pick up a couple. And then I have this Gather Together sign that I thought went well right here, another white pumpkin, and then a little cute lantern. And that is everything. I'm gonna go ahead and back up so you guys can see a little overview of what this section looks like. I didn't want it to be too cluttered, so I thought everything looked good the way it was. And then coming over to the side, I have these little shadow box shelf things, whatever you want to call them. And I have these cute little pumpkins with plants in them. So I have two of those, one with the succulent, and then one with those, I don't even know what kind of plant that is. And then I have this little sign that says pumpkin spice and everything nice, and another one of those little tea light things. And then here's another overview of how it looks over here. Moving on to the couch, I just have these two pillows that were old. They matched. I wanted to buy some huge orange ones, but I couldn't find any, so I just stuck with the ones I already had. But I did pick up these two middle pillows. One says pumpkin spice, and the other one is a plaid pumpkin. I got both of those from Target Dollar Spot. They were $5, but they were cute, and I had to get them. So moving on over here, just ignore that stain right there, my son. Yeah, I can't get it out, but I do have two more pillows. These ones say Hello Pumpkin, and then just another green plaid one. And then this is my shelf. I think this is probably my favorite part of the house, just because it's really decorated. This is a little overview, and then let's go in and I will show you what each shelf has on it. But I really loved how it turned out. So on this first shelf, I have that little green lantern and this pumpkin candle. This one also smells super good. It smells like a pumpkin pie. And then I did put this leaf, or I don't even know what this is. I just kind of like draped it. It looked good. And then a couple of pumpkins. The pumpkins I got at Target. The little ones were $1. And then the sign in the back that says gather, also got that at Target dollar spot. And then I did get this Hello Fall one, the pumpkin and the morning pumpkin, and then another lantern. I believe that was from Target as well. Everything is from Target basically. And that little box it's in, I got that at the thrift store. On this next shelf, there's a pumpkin and then just leaves, really simple. I didn't do too much. And then this is actually an old picture of me and my husband. This was our first Marine Corps ball. He was a PFC, so he was just barely in the Marine Corps. Super cute. We were so young. And then I have a sign that says welcome to our home. And then I just have some Better Home and Gardens little magazines, definitely fall related, so I thought those would be cute. And then a little lantern with a cinnamon pumpkin gingerbread candle in there. And then that little box right there just has some magazines, so nothing too cool, but that is everything. I honestly didn't decorate around my TV or right here because my son watches TV here, and I know if I put any decor, it's just going to get messed up. So it's kind of a little bit plain, but still matches with everything else. And then for my blankets, I have this cute plaid blanket and then just a gray blanket. Nothing too crazy. And then this side is just normal. No decor really. So yeah, you guys, that is my fall tour, whatever you want to call it, of my house as of right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do like these decor videos, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. I will be having so many more decor videos up on this channel now, along with more makeup tutorials coming your way. So make sure you smash that subscribe button so that way you guys will always see the videos that I upload. And I think that's everything I have to say for today. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Anytime I'm alone, I can't help thinking about you.